Hello friends, welcome to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Today I am going to show you the 5 asanas which you can do it in the daily basis. So one will be forward bending, second is little back bends, third is twisting, fourth is arm balancing and fifth is inversions. So let's get started. So the first asana is forward bending. I recommend you to follow these 5 asanas daily. I know many of them are confused what to choose and which asana to choose in the daily routine. So I would recommend to do these 5 things and see the results. Like you do it for 3-4 weeks continuously, and then you will see that yes, you are developing overall body, like you're doing forward, you're doing back bends, you're doing twists, you're doing little arm balancing, and you're working on your inversions. So the first asana is Paschimottanasana. Now you have to stretch your legs out sitting in Dandasana position, that is your spine erect. Breathe in. I have also made a tutorial on this in case if you want to go deep and you want to study on Paschimottanasana and go slowly. We try to bend from our lower back. As you can see, my spine is not hunching. I'm not going this. I'm trying to push my chest out. If you can touch your toes already, very good. You can just try to stay here for like half a minute, and then moving forward you can stay for 2 minutes in this Paschimottanasana. This asana will give you a very good stretch in your thigh bones, belly and your spine. So this is a recommended pose for daily basis. In case if you are a beginner and you want to start something new, then you can pulse it out. 1, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Again, raise your arms up. Exhale. We rest our both the arms down. So then we move to the back bend. So for the back bend, I would recommend to go for a cobra or Bhujangasana. So we fold or cross our legs and just lay down on your belly. So this is a prone posture. For that, we bring up both the feet together, both the palms closer to the chest. Again, for this I have made a tutorial. You can just go swipe it. Breathe, both the palms closer to the chest and keep your arms tucked in so there is no gap. Elbows pointing up. Breathe in, coming in half cobra. And if you find that your body tells you that yes, you can go a little more further, then you will push with your palm fingers wide open. Do not keep your hands out like this. So we tuck our arms in closer to the chest and slightly micro bending your elbows so we don't strain our elbow joint. And as you can see, I've lifted only till my belly button and not my thighs. So this is the wrong posture. So press your thighs down and breathe in. If you are eligible, keep moving your head up. If you're not healthy with the neck, you can look in front. And breathe. Feel the stretch in your lower back, and it is very good to energize your spine. Also, it will help you in your belly fat. Breathe. 1, opening your heart. 2, breathe. 3, inhale. Exhale. 4, 5, 6, breathe in. Breathe out. 7, 8, 9, and very slowly we rest our belly, we rest our chest, and we rest our forehead down. I always say that after we do back bends, it is compulsory to do forward bend. So one more pose what you can add on is child's pose. We relax here for a few breaths. We can shake our hips side to side to give a good massage and to relax our spine muscles. Also, you can move your arms behind so the shoulders which were blocked there can be loose and relaxed. Also, your wrist fingers relax. So this is a second pose which I would recommend for the back bending. Now we move to the twisting pose. What you can do in twisting? So we will again stretch our legs out for Ardhamatsyendrasana. So folding your right knee, you can see how is my leg placed, and we can see this gap. You can see this gap. So I will fold my left leg and I will move my foot underneath my right thigh So now I have crossed my left leg. As you can see, my left heel is touching to my right butt. Now my foot which was there, I will lift my right foot and I will place it towards my left side of the knee. In case if this is too much, if you can't move your body after this, what you can do is you can keep your foot there itself and then try to twist. Now how do we do that? Inhale, raising your opposite hand always. If your right knee is on top, then you lift your left hand up. We turn completely on the right side, moving your left hand above your right knee. Above your right knee, and then we twist. We place our right palm behind our right glute and then take a good twist, opening your chest. Feel the nice stretch in your spine. Also, your organs of your belly is nicely contracted, and look behind to the wall. So what happens is also your neck is giving a good twist. It's very good for the spinal twist, recommended for diabetic patient, recommended for a good massaging to your belly. Now after a few weeks of practicing this, you may end up holding your foot. Also what you can do is you can move your foot on the other side of your knee and feel the stretch. Yes, let's stay here. 1, breathe out. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's change our side. So first your head coming in front, moving your left arm, relax your right hand, we stretch our right leg and then we release our left leg from the below and we will just relax our legs, shake your legs. Now I'll show you from the other side so you will have a proper. Always make sure you do it from both the sides if you are doing these kind of asanas. Now folding your left knee, now fix your right foot underneath your thigh, closer to your hip, then breathe in. If your left knee is here on top, we raise our right arm. This is not that easy, it's not that complicated or tricky. If you practice daily, you will get this asana definitely. And then move your foot on your right hand side. We twist, twist, twist and feel the stretch. You will have a very good stretch in your center of the spine. 1, breathe in. So it also improves your posture. 2, exhale. 3, 4 and 5. Slowly relax your neck first. Do not come like in rush. Always come slowly from the asana. Otherwise you may end up in the injury or you may have lack of awareness. And then we extend our legs in front. Just shaking up your legs, relax. So this is a twisting pose, third pose. Now the fourth pose is I'll be showing you how to do arm balancing. So I recommend to do, like, if you can just go for a crow pose or Baksana. For that I'll be showing you how with the wall and then without the wall you can practice. So I will shift my mat closer to the wall. So and then from the side you will see how I'm placing my foot on the wall. So my both the palms, first I'll be sitting in this position where I'm spreading my knees, I'm placing my palms on the floor and I always make sure that my palms and my feet are in line, fingers wide open. I lift my heels from the ground. As you can see, my shin bone just right below your knee, I have fixed it on top of my arm, or you can say under armpits. And then I will lift my leg one by one. You have to little shift behind to the wall. As you can see, my hip is touching to the wall and then I lift my leg one by one. See, this is so simple. And then my arms and my knees are connected. And you can stay here. You improve a lot of core balance, your arm balance. And then when you're tired, you come back slowly and relax. And then you can rotate your wrists. I will soon make tutorial on Baksana. Do you want that? Please let me know on the comment section. So this is the arm balancing. Now the fifth asana is inversions. So for that, we'll take a supine position. So fourth asana, after that fifth asana, this is the last pose. What you can do it every day is inversion. Inversions are also very important because it helps you to improve your blood circulation towards the brain, also channelizes your energy. So breathe and we'll go step by step, moving your legs in 45-degree angle, then moving in 90-degree angle. Okay, so for this Sarvangasana also I have made a tutorial, and then breathe in, you lift your hips up. First you will stay here in Vipreet Karni. You can stay here for a few breaths. Once you achieve this, then you can slowly keep sliding your palms towards your mid back. Now you can see my body is completely in line. Chin to collarbone and toes pointing up to the ceiling, and breathe. 1, 2, 3, gazing to your toes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and slowly coming back down without rushing. We move our legs slightly behind in banana shape, and then we vertebrae by vertebrae we rest our spine, resting our tailbone and our hips, and while coming down also you will come in the same manner. For inversions also we have a counter posture is Matsyasana. So see my dear friends, you have to always combine the pose. For example, if you're doing back bends, then forward bend you have to do it compulsory just to relax your muscles. Same way, if you do some inversions, you see that your neck is so sore and tight, it gets too much of strain. Then what we do is we release it in the counter posture. How? Both your palms slide it underneath your hips, both the feet together. Inhale, we lift our spine from the ground, opening our heart, and then turn your neck. It's up to you whether you can touch the floor, so you can rest your crown on the floor. In case if you can't, you will stay here. Stay 1. So this is a reverse effect, as you can see. 2, breathe. 3, 4, do not lift your legs. 5, and slowly you can rest on the floor. Release your palms from the ground, and then you can turn on one side and come back slowly. So friends, I hope you will practice these 5 asanas with the counter posture, and let me know on the comment section whether you want like these kind of videos more. Namaste, stay blessed.